In today's video, I am going to teach you how to page layout and printing in Excel. Start by opening your worksheet and going to the Page Layout tab in the top menu bar. This is where Excel keeps the main tools that control how your sheet will look when it is printed. If you want your spreadsheet to come out clean, organized, and easy to read on paper, this is the best place to begin. Next, look for the Page Setup section and click the Margins button. Here you can choose how much empty space appears around the edges of your printed page. Excel gives you a few standard options, including normal, wide, and narrow. Normal is a safe everyday choice. Wide gives your content more breathing room, while narrow lets you fit more data onto the page. The right option depends on how much information you need to print and how spacious you want the final result to look. After that, click the Orientation button. This setting controls whether your page prints vertically or horizontally. Choose Landscape if your worksheet has a lot of columns going across the page. This gives you more room from left to right and can help prevent data from being cut off. Choose Portrait if your sheet is longer from top to bottom. This is often the better choice for lists or reports with fewer columns. Then click the Size button to choose your paper type. This is where you select the paper format you plan to print on, such as letter or A4. It is a good idea to match this setting to the paper you actually have in your printer. That helps avoid scaling issues and makes sure your layout appears as expected when printed. Once those page settings are in place, go up to the View tab in the top menu bar. In the Workbook Views section, click Page Layout. This changes your worksheet display so it looks more like real printed pages on screen. It is a very helpful view because you can see where pages begin and end before you print. While you are in this view, you can also add custom headers and footers. To do that, double-click near the top margin or bottom margin of the page. This lets you type information directly into those areas. Headers and footers are useful for things like titles, page labels, or other printed details that help make your worksheet look more polished. That covers everything you need to know.